up, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Sorry it's been a while since I made any videos, but I have a real estate business and we've been pretty busy, so I haven't really had a chance to get on here and make many videos. Hope everyone's doing okay, taking care of yourself and staying clean and as healthy as possible. But I just wanted to make a quick video on the 300ZX. We did get it back, guys. So I'm just gonna make a quick video, walk through around it, and we'll clean it up a little bit. I did also get a new truck. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see. I got a different truck. I haven't been posting videos. The only thing I've done to it is put some new wheels. We will be lifting it soon, so I'll show you guys that soon. But let's take the 300ZX out and see if we can get a little quick video from the outside. All right, guys, there you have it. Try to clean it up as much as I could. So it's still a little dirty, but we'll get it detailed. You know, you guys know that I have my guy that does all of my details. So the previous owner actually painted it a bit. I don't know if he did touch-up paints or he painted the whole cars, but we'll get it checked out once my guy gets it down to it. But I'm gonna get it a full detail done to it, and then we'll see what we do with it. Not sure when we're gonna drop it, throw some wheels on it. I'm not sure. Typically I do wheels on all of my cars. Got a very good connection with the local guy here. But we'll take it out to the sun tomorrow during the daytime and get some better pictures and get some more interior shots. All right, guys. See you guys in the morning. All right, guys, as you guys can see, it's the next day. We just finished a quick workout, but I pulled the 300ZX outside. Let me go ahead and show you guys a quick view of it. as you guys can see, this guy did some work to the interior, and it's definitely a crappy job. We're gonna have to get that redone. You see the carpet, he got brand new carpet, but it didn't fit too well. Seats were reupholstered. I'm gonna have to get some work done to those as well. Interior is decent. It's just gonna definitely need some work. I'm gonna pop the engine, pop the hood open. We'll check out the engine. I did have a engine rebuilt and put into it. Let's see, let's get it open. Alright guys, had a hard time opening it, but I did have the engine rebuilt. Have to clean it up a bit. Some stuff I don't like this here. It's kind of ghetto, but it is missing the little plastic part that goes here. And I'm just gonna have my detailer clean up the engine a little bit. It's not too bad, but like I said, we'll get it cleaned out. So you guys can see that the bumper is broken. The paint job they did was horrible. I'm gonna have to, I mean, it's not too bad here, but you see the separation in here. That is a horrible paint job. So I'm gonna have my guy do a paint correction on it, buff it, and try to clean it up as much as possible. I mean, you guys can see it here. All that overspray. Like they started kind of buffing it. We may have to even redo the clear. Hopefully not. But you can see when the sun hits it how bad that is. I think this. Oh, that's just dirt. Check that out, guys. In the front where I was pressure washing it, you can see some of the paint chipped off. It's right here. I guess it was a red bumper, since this is not the original bumper. This is a twin turbo bumper. Check that out, guys. All my paint guys, you guys know. Horrible. Alright guys, so we're not gonna go too far. We're just gonna go for a quick little joyride. We're actually not allowed to be out per the city rules right now, so I'm just gonna go up and down my neighborhood street and come right back, guys. But make sure you guys are taking care of yourself and staying clean, washing your hands, and all that good stuff. I did take the tops off because I just wanted to take them off and see how it feels and actually make sure they work. But yeah, this car runs really good. It runs and drives great now. The guy, the mechanic that I was using, he's pretty good at what he does. He's a perfectionist. Some of the stuff he asked me to get like little quick video on the 300ZX. Appreciate you guys that are still watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, guys. I haven't been making a lot of videos, but I will be making some more videos here soon. I'm gonna be doing a review on my F-150 and some more reviews on the 300ZX as we add stuff to it. I got a couple of updates on my other cars as well, so I'll do that on future videos. But again, I appreciate you guys watching, and please let me know what type of videos you guys want to watch. All right, guys, well, I'll catch you guys on the next one.